You are now watching Juliet Line Dance Channel. Hope you enjoy it.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of in a lullaby. Well, somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away among the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, birds fly over the rainbow. Why can't I? Someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away among the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, birds fly over the rainbow. Why can't I? Well, bluebirds fly over the rainbow. Why can't I?
This dance is called Bluebirds, choreographed by King Ray, 32 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance. Section 1, start with your right foot. Side, behind, side, cross. Side, touch, side, touch. Section 2, side together, forward, scuff. Side, touch, side, touch. Section 3, side together, quarter left, scuff. Step, pivot half turn, step, scuff. Last section, forward, hitch right, back, kick left forward, coaster, cross, scuff. Now walk through with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 4 counts tag to be added at the end of wall 4, facing 12 o'clock. At the end of wall 4, facing 12, the tag is side, behind, side, cross. With the counts, tag 1, 2, 3, 4. Start the dance facing 12 o'clock. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy it.